Mm-hmm. 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 We ain't gonna say it. He ain't gonna say it. Nope. We're not gonna do it. This is something serious. We gotta get to it. Can't sugarcoat it. Can't even feel like I'm off it. Feel like God is blessing. Either way you look at it, had to hurry up and get it out because life takes it serious and then so do I. So you start thinking, you start formulating, you start processing, you start moving. Your favorite nephew cousin think about some things and then process what you're doing. It's like, okay, one, two, three. Okay. Start counting, thinking, processing. hmm And then y'all wonder what's up with him. What is going on with him? Then the lights get a little bright. They like, oh. And then it's a couple people in the background talking about, oh, his imagery is quiet. And it's like, yo. And then there's four niggas in the back. Nobody said that. So it's like, okay. On that one. On that one. And then y'all start trying to play it straight. And it's like, yeah. Narration of my life. You flip the page on them and then they don't even be, you know. I'm just like, yeah, okay. hmm hmm They say it comes with a price. They say it comes with time. And they say it comes with passion. They say a lot of things. hmm But what they fail to tell you is, as much as I want to do it, I won't do it on this one. hmm I remember it was days that I just dreamed of doing this. And I think that's why I stuck it out so long. Dreamed of just having a successful YouTube. Having things to look forward to and I didn't know what was coming. See life, grab life, and life. All in one life. All he said was life. Oh, yeah. No. What is your life? Process what you're saying, and then we proceed to bring another one to you. Eventually, you caught on, so you go, you thank you, and it's just like, yeah, okay. We here, we blessed, and then we stay cool. I don't want to overtake everything and lose the battle. I don't want to feel like just because your favorite nephew cousin is 4 minutes and 3 seconds in, we shouldn't have to. But then again, who am I? And if you listening, I kind of told you just a little bit, but this is not another reflection. This is not another video right now. I think this is the current one. So I'm looking you in the face, looking you in the eye. What do you decide? What do you decide? Another video, another topic. Okay. What do you decide? You think a little hard on it and you don't have to. It's just okay, that's what you're formulating. Okay. Mm-hmm. What's really going on? What's up with you? Why you do that? That's how you process. Okay, cool. We not mad at you. What is he talking about? This is where we at. We kind of far away from you, so it's just like, oh, okay. Focused, processing. The room start, they like, how is he doing that? It's probably his tone, his verbiage. He's making another video, spraying up there, cause I'm doing what I wanted to do. Doing what I wanted to do. Making choices I didn't want to do, but still doing. Still going. Still with another video. And it feel like my eye all over the place, so we just gonna close. Now that your eyes are closed, my eyes are closed. Hope you hear me loud and clear, cause I'm opening up my eyes. Hey, what you got going on, huh? It's very... indeed, so... Now what? What's going on? What is out there? Why are we formulating?